What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and if you know me at all, if you know this channel, I don't normally do mail calls, but in this last week or two, I've actually received a couple of packages, one of them that went missing but ended up arriving anyway, and I'm like, man, this is some really cool stuff, unexpected, and a lot of these were sent to me without, anyone even telling me. It's like, hey, can I send you something? They just kind of arrived. So thank you guys for being awesome. Now this one here came from Anonymous. Actually, I know who it came from, but they asked not to be named. They didn't want to be shouted out or anything, but they saw us on D-Day. We had a stream on D-Day where we actually opened up a whole lot of colorized war coins, including a lot of ones from D-Day, which was pretty cool. And they decided to send me this, and this is really cool. So as you can see, guys, it says Heroes. It has the 5 stars, and it looks like a general hat, so maybe a 5-star general. But if you open it up, take a look at this. It has a certificate of authenticity. It says D-Day, the longest day, 1 troy ounce of 99 fine silver, and it has private first class William P. Quinlan of Nebraska. Very, very cool. Don't let them die in vain, and I guess that's the number 1157. Take a look at this, though. So look at that, guys. D-Day, 6th June 1944, the longest day. You can see 70 years, so this was actually a 70-year commemorative. And looking at the reverse, it says, don't let them die in vain. This is really, really cool. And I guess they sent this to me because, I really liked the D-Day colorized coins, and I didn't get any of those. This is a fresh pair of gloves, so don't sweat it. I'm not going to mess the coin up at all, but we just want to get it really good up on the camera. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So again, I know who sent this to me. I will keep their name private, but thank you. That is really awesome. I really, really appreciate that. Guys, we have some more stuff, not just this I want to show you, so let's get on to the next one. Okay, guys, so this next one comes from Mr. Big Mill. It says, hey, dude, this is a gift. Thanks for being rad, Big Mill OG22. And he sent me this really cool Benji. It's a 1957. It looks to be a proof. Very, very beautiful coin. On the back, it does have a little bit of tarnishing, but man, very, very nice 1957 proof Benji from Mr. Big Mill. You did not have to do that, man. Wait, you didn't have to do it, but you did. Oh, Big Mill, thank you so much. Guys, that is really cool. This was actually inside of the envelope. I actually took it out just to make the video quicker. But Big Mill, thank you so much for that. That is really cool. Okay, guys, this next one comes from Silver Husky. And again, I didn't expect any of these to arrive. But as you can see, it says, cheers, Silver Seeker. Hope you're doing great, man. Sending you a few coins from my stash. Thanks for always providing awesome content. I hope you like mine too, Silver Husky. Well, Silver Husky, I really appreciate the letter. And guys, check this out. He didn't just send me, stickers, which he did send me some stickers. He has some really cool big stickers. Like, I still have never gotten colored stickers. I have my 2x2 Seeker squares, and I really like these things. I've never gotten into the stickers thing. I don't know why. I like getting stickers from other channels. I actually have a box full of these things, and they are really cool, but I never got into them. I never ordered my own. I went with cards instead. But look at this, guys. So here we go. First thing, check this out. He sent me a 1 ounce silver Year of the Dog. This is the Australian one, Elizabeth II, 2018, $1.49 silver. Isn't that awesome? But that's not just it. Check this out. Silver Husky, seriously, thank you, man. Look at this, guys. A 1900 Barber, and you can actually read Liberty almost completely. How cool is that? Flip it over to the reverse. It's an O mint, so New Orleans. You can read all of E Pluribus Unum. This is a nice 1900 O Barber, $50. And then we also have a quarter. This is obviously a Philly mint mark. Well, no mint mark, so it's a Philly. So we got an 1898 Philly Barber as well. And then finally, he also sent me a Mercury dime at 1941. Very nice. To be honest, I think the Mercury dime's been dipped, but that doesn't take away from the fact that he just sent this to me as a gift. And that is really, really cool. So guys, all of that right there from Silver Husky, just out of the blue. Thank you so much, Silver Husky, for being awesome. Okay, guys, now these three right here, these obviously are little felt bags, and these were sent to me by Larry's Randomness. And he has an eBay page where he sells these, and he wanted me to have a few. And he said if I liked them, if I wanted to share his eBay channel, or his eBay store, I could. If I didn't want to, I didn't have to. He didn't hold me to it, didn't obligate me, but I did anyway the other night on the live stream because these are so cool. And I really like them. Take a look at that. Very, very gorgeous. So this one right here, obviously a Barber Dime 1915. And then we also have... So I'm sure he sent me this one specifically just because, you know, I'm in Missouri. But you have a 2003 Missouri State Quarter. This is a silver proof, actually. And, of course, it's a sterling silver chain and sterling silver bezel. So the bezel and the chain is obviously are sterling silver, and then obviously the coin is silver. And then finally in this one, and this one is also sterling silver, so that's actually a pretty hefty chain right there. And take a look, guys, in the bezel, it's a 1937 Walker. Very, very nice. So we got the Walker one, the Barber one, and the State Quarter one right there. Larry, thank you so much for sending me these. I really appreciate it. Again, some very, very awesome gifts. Really, really appreciate those. Okay, guys, and finally, from Papa Kryptoss, we have this really, really cool coin right here. Basically, a replica of a coin that wasn't struck. If you guys know about pattern coins, I did a video on pattern coins a while back. But it says right here, it says, "Hello, Seeker. I had a few of these, and I was going through my collection. I thought I would need to send you one. It's not silver, but I think it's still very cool. I do have one that is silver, minted with only a mintage of 250. It says, I wish they would have used this design and not the Susan B. Anthony, but what is done is done. Still a nice piece of history. You can keep this in your collection or use it as a giveaway, but if I know you, you will keep it." I'm going to be honest with you, Papa Kryptoss. Probably going to keep this. So guys, again, Papa Kryptoss sent this to me, and essentially what this is a design that was submitted for what turned out to be the Susan B. Anthony dollar of 79, 80, 81, and then one more time in 1999. This is the one that did not get used. Papa K thought it should have. I do like, look, you got the 13 stars, so you have 11 up here between the wings at the top, and then you have 2 down here to finish the 13. You have some rays there. It's Grove Mining Company, I'm assuming, is releasing this. And this isn't actually a real pattern coin, but this is an example of what a pattern coin would be. So if this was a real coin that was, you know, the US actually struck as one of the trial coins, that would be considered a pattern coin. But it is the same design, so really, really cool. So anyway, that is awesome. Papa K, thank you for sending that to me. And yeah, you're right. I'm probably going to keep this. This is really, really awesome, but I do appreciate it. So anyway, guys, that is it for the stuff that we opened up today. I do appreciate you guys joining me. And again, guys, I don't normally do these. It's very rare that I do like a package video, if you will, but this is some really cool stuff, and it all came really close together. So I said, hey, what the hey, I'll do one. That doesn't mean I'll do more in the future or anything like that, but I was happy to do this one because that was some really cool stuff, and I really appreciate the channels, you know, sending me some really cool stuff that I'm going to keep in my collection. You know, things like this, I don't give away. This is stuff that keeps in my personal collection, and you know, I really appreciate it. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much. And if you like this video, do me a favor, make sure you like and subscribe. Otherwise, we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members and support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you, guys. I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.